All right. Since I've been declared the North American Skin King as of recently, I decided to do a knife tier list. We're going to start off the butterfly knife. That's easily S tier. The bayonet. That's a B. Survival knife. That's honestly D. That knife is buns. Paracord. Paracord knife. That's an F. Classic knife. That's an A tier. Honestly, classic knife 1.6. What is this one? Falchion knife. F. Flip knife. We can throw that bad boy in a C. Honestly, flip knife is a C. Gut knife. I've been seeing a lot of people talk about the gut knife lately. Honestly, gut knife is definitely belongs in like a low D. Low D tier. Navajo knife, on the other hand. Navajo knife. It's a close up there with the bayonet. For sure. Karambit. That's an S tier. Karambit's S tier. Kukri. Kukri. That's an F. Kukri's an F tier easily. M9. Oh my god. S tier. Oh yeah. Above M9. Golly. It's better than Butterfly. It's the best. M9 is the best knife ever. Nomad. Honestly, I'll throw that in a B. Shadow daggers. That's F for sure. Skelly knife. Throw that up there in the A tier. Stiletto. That's a C. I'm giving that a C, honestly. The Bowie knife, huh? The Bowie knife. Too many people enjoy this knife for no reason. That's a D. Huntsman. That's a D. The Urus. That's a D too. Talon. C. No, I'll throw that in B. Now, this is the updated 2026. This is the updated 2026 knife tier list. If you have any of these knives in the proper tier, I'm telling you, invest now. If you have an M9 or a Butterfly Karambit, invest now. This tier list is going to blow these knives up. Or if you have the classic knife, that's going to blow that knife